In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your OpenAI API key into Cursor AI. This process is straightforward, and by the end of this video, you'll be all set up and ready to start using Cursor AI with your OpenAI capabilities. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to visit the OpenAI platform. Open your web browser and navigate to the OpenAI website. Once you're there, you'll want to log into your account if you haven't done so already. After logging in, look for the option labeled API Keys. This section is where you can manage all your API-related activities. Next, click on API Keys. This will take you to a page where you can manage your existing keys or create new ones. If you don't have an API key yet, don't worry. Creating one is a simple process. On this page, you'll see a button that says Create New Secret Key. Go ahead and click that button. Doing this will generate a new API key for you to use. Make sure to keep this key safe and secure, as it grants access to your OpenAI account. Now that you've got your API key, it's time to head over to your Cursor AI desktop application. If you don't have it open already, launch the app. Once inside the app, your next step is to navigate to the settings. You can usually find the settings by looking for a gear icon or a menu option labeled Settings, depending on your version of the application. Within the Settings menu, you'll see various options. You want to look for and select Models. This is the section where you can configure different models and their respective API keys. In this area, you should see an option labeled API Keys. Click on it, and you'll find a section specifically for OpenAI keys. Here's where it all comes together. Take the API key you generated earlier and paste it into the OpenAI Keys section. Make sure that you copy the entire key string accurately, as any mistakes could prevent the integration from working properly. Once you've pasted the key, confirm your entry and save the changes. And that's it. You've successfully added your OpenAI API key into Cursor AI. Now, you can fully leverage the power of OpenAI in your Cursor AI application, unlocking a wealth of capabilities and features to enhance your projects. Remember, keeping your API key secure is crucial, so avoid sharing it publicly or with unauthorized users. Thank you for watching. I hope this guide has been helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials and tips. Happy exploring with your newfound AI capabilities.